Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME P3 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And secondly, you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, you have to do it either right after entering the Play Store or using the settings. We've got a tutorial how to add and remove a Google account in this specific device, so I highly recommend to check that. Alright, so finally we can open the Play Store, and now all we have to do is to tap on this circle in the right upper corner, which is our account. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. Here we have to tap on Updates Available, and as you can see in my case I've got 45 updates available, which are pending, and basically all we have to do is to just find the updates and mark them. So of course, if you wish, you can mark all of those apps. If not, just choose specific options. I will pick Contacts, maybe Gmail, and maybe Google. So just mark the options and then tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.